For generations, Zimbabweans have witnessed the arrival of foreign companies eager to tap into their land's mineral wealth. These ventures bring jobs, yes, but often at a steep price. The environment bears the scars of extraction, and local communities often find their voices silenced, their concerns brushed aside in the relentless pursuit of profit. The glittering promise of development can quickly tarnish, leaving behind a legacy of resentment and unrest. The recent tragedy at the Bluebell mine stands as a stark reminder of the tensions simmering beneath the surface. The news from the Bluebell mine spread like wildfire. A dispute between local villagers and Chinese nationals employed at the mine escalated into violence, leaving several Zimbabweans dead. The incident, shrouded in conflicting accounts and accusations, has sent shockwaves through the nation, exposing the raw nerves surrounding foreign mining operations and their impact on local communities. Details remain murky, but what is clear is that the situation at Bluebell reflects a broader pattern of simmering resentment. Local communities, often marginalized and impoverished, bear the brunt of mining's environmental and social consequences. They see their land exploited, their livelihoods disrupted, and their voices ignored, while foreign companies reap the rewards. This sense of injustice festers, creating a tinderbox of anger waiting for a spark. The Bluebell incident has brought these tensions to the forefront, forcing a national conversation about the true cost of Zimbabwe's mineral wealth. It has also raised urgent questions about the responsibility of foreign mining companies to operate ethically and sustainably, ensuring that their presence benefits rather than burdens the communities in which they operate.